Okay, guys, hey, welcome back to another stream. So we're still working in Jira. The last live stream was just a mess because I had no idea what I was doing. Warning, I still don't know what I'm doing, but we're going to do things one at a time and hopefully we will figure everything out. So this time I'm going to try to be able to change the actual address for Jira. Instead of it being like localhost, whatever, or my IP address, whatever, I want it to be an actual address. So www.whateverwhatever.com slash whatever, you know? So I think I had documentation somewhere in here. Configuring the base URL. So basically, I gotta just dock this stuff better. Okay, that's good enough. So choose system, choose general configuration. Yeah. Choose edit settings. Enter the new URL in your base URL text box. Choose save. Okay, so I want http colon slash slash. Let's do generic game company .com slash Jira. So in this example, they're doing http dot www. Let me do www dot. So if Jira is installed to run in a non-root context path, that is, it has a context path, then the server base URL should include this include path. For example, if Jira is running at then the server base URL. Using different URLs. If you're using if you use, okay, I can't even read now. If you configure a different base URL, or if visitors use some other URL access to Jira, it is possibly may encounter errors while viewing some page. Changing the context path. Okay, so let me save this. So update. Um, Let me also write this down on a sticky note. Do I not have any sticky notes open? Sticky notes. Okay. Okay, we have it written down. Cool. Now what does it say? Stop the Jira server. Okay, we're gonna have to do this. Go into Task Manager, Services, and then it's under J for Jira, H-I-J, Jira Software. Stop. Stop. Stopping. Stopped. Okay. Now, if I guess if I try to access anything, it's just not going to let me. Yeah, site can't be reached. Makes sense because we stopped the Jira. So I stopped the Jira server. Okay. Go to your Jira destination directory. This is the directory where the Confluence installation files are stored. I believe it's under C, Program Files, Atlassian, Jira. Edit the configuration file at Jira installation conf server.xml. Open with Sublime Text. Okay, let's just do this. Change the value of the path attribute in the context element to reflect the path. For example, if okay, so my context path would look like slash Jira. Okay, let me also just copy this into a new instance just so I have the original. So original server. Okay. So context path. So slash Jira. Do I have it all cap? Yeah, I do. Okay. Doc base. Guess I gotta change that too. What's the dot Jira mean? Does that mean the whole thing? Maybe. If you're running behind a proxy, ensure that the proxy name matches the base URL. For example, proxy name equals foobar.com. Where do I do that? The connector element. Okay. Proxy Jira via Apache over HTTP. Okay. If you're running behind a proxy, ensure that the proxy name. Okay. I don't know if I'm running behind a proxy. So we'll see what happens. So let me restart Jira. It stopped. What? Start. Okay, so it's not even starting. So I definitely messed something up. If you configure a different base URL, changing the context path. If you change the context path. Okay, let me run the Jira thing so I can get. Where is it? Is it under logs? I forget where the errors are. Temp? No. Logs would make sense. Let's see. It's a lot of information. Don't know if that's even okay. Let's see. Jira, where do I find error logs? Okay. No. Yeah, this is what I want. You can't. You have to. What? No, that's something we can. I guess this is what it wants, right? 735. That's accurate. No, that doesn't tell me anything. I should close Unreal. I don't need this. Yeah, save. Don't need Visual Studio either. Close out of that. If you're running behind a proxy, ensure that the proxy name matches the base URL. For example, proxy name. Okay, like, is this? This is the HTTPS. This is the HTTP. So I guess I don't need. I need this. So proxy name. foobar.com. So that would be genericgamecompany.com. Proxy port 443, scheme, HTTP. Proxy port 80, I don't know. Maybe. But this is proxy port 443, and that's HTTPS. Okay, so this one I might need to comment out. So I have to do anything. Well, this doesn't give me anything for proxy name. Okay. So that's commented out. I got this one. I don't think I have the right proxy, if I'm going to be honest, because I don't think I bought anything. But let's see. Start? No. All right. Direct connector with no proxy for own proxy access to Jira if using. So, max threads, port relaxed path chars. I don't know what that means. Probably not what I want. Let me open the original. So that's the original, right? This should hopefully open again. Yeah. Can I not have a unique name? Proxying Jira via Apache or... Okay. Let's look up that. Jira HTTP proxy. Okay. This article only applies to listing server products, okay? This page defines on how to configure Jira applications such that they can communicate externally through outbound proxy. Okay. Proxy support is configured in Jira application. This doesn't really tell me much. Okay, let's try that again. Jira, how to set up HTTP proxy. Does this tell me how to do it? This page defines on how to configure. Da, da, da. This doesn't really tell me anything either. Let's see. You can use SSL, blah, 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 okay. Generate the, oh man. I don't know what the heck I'm doing here. So steps 1 through 13. Okay. Let's just try it and see what happens. Okay, so before you begin, okay, they want to blah 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 blah. Digital certificates, okay. Download and install the Portical app onto the server that runs Jira. Okay. So this computer, I should really open it up in a new tab. Can I download it? For downloads, contact. See. Okay, I guess I can launch it, right? Oh, okay, that's what that is. Okay. This is third-party application. It's not supported. Yeah, run the app as an administrator. Okay. Can't really, didn't have the option to run the app as the administrator, but that's fine. For security applications, must now meet the requirements for the high, very high security. Okay. What? Okay. Your security settings have blocked. Okay. That's cool. Let's see. Let's look up this one. Application blocked by Java security. Okay. That's fine. Java has further enhanced security to make the use of this solution. The exception site list is managed in the security tab of the Java control panel. Java. Okay, I'm guessing this is configure Java. So under the security tab. Okay, so so I need to add edit site list. HTTP // sourceforge.net. Add. fine. Okay. 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 Um, let's try it again. I accept the risk. Fine. Okay. 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 Are we done? Okay. So we got this. Boom. Ah. Okay. Back here. New. Okay. Run the app as administrator so it'll have the appropriate permissions. Okay. First, let me do that. Run as administrator. Okay. Oops. Okay. Select the create a new key store option. Select the type JKS and OK. Select the generate key pair button. Select the RSA algorithm to key size of 2048. Okay. Signature SHA 256 with RSA. Validity 365. Okay. Okay. I guess I gotta do it the exact Jira dot Atlassian.com. IT. Generic game company. Location. Poland. It's Warsaw. What is this? I guess I gotta do PL. Email. I got locality city. Warsaw state name. Fine. Common name must match the server's URL. So maybe it has to be this. That's fine. Enter new password. Let me write this down. Oh. Okay. Okay. Successful. Okay. Save the key store in Jira home Jira dot. File. Save key store. So C drive, program files, Atlassian, Jira. Jira. Let's just see. Program files, Atlassian, Jira. Properties. Um, let's just okay. Jira.jks. Aha. Okay, so here it is. If using a self-signed certificate, proceed to configure. So what did it say for the instructions? Steps 1 through 13. Okay. Okay, we need to generate a certificate signing request for the CA to sign and confirm the identity of the certificate. To do so, right-click on the certificate. Jira.csr. Okay, it was successful. Okay. Submit the CSR to a certificate. Submit the CSR to a certificate authority for signing. I don't know what that means. Now, if using a self-signed certificate, okay. In this section, you will finish setting up SSL encryption for Jira by configuring web server. Up. Okay. No Facebook. Sorry about that. And my phone. Everything's blowing up. Okay. Let me put that back on vibrate. Okay, run the Jira configuration tool as follows. Windows, open a command prompt and run in the bin subdirectory. Okay. cmd. Config. That. Okay. We got it. Click to the web server. Fill out the field as follows. Control port, yeah. Okay, sorry about that. Let me close out of that. Okay. So HTTP, okay. A profile is a preset web server configuration you could pick from the four following. Okay, we'll do both. Specify the location of the key store of your certificate. Okay. So the JKS, yeah. Specify the password you generate self-signed. Let me put the password in. Okay. Each entry in the key store has a click the check certificate in key store button to validate the following. Yes. Now what? Okay. I don't know what I just did. Um, Stop. Stop being stopped. Okay. Now, uh, is it under conf? Yeah, server. Edit. I still have the original server information here. No, I want to open with Sublime Text. Okay. Um, so we got to comment out this connector. HTTP. Um, let's see. What was the original stuff? I gotta get this notebook out of my way. So context path. I gotta change that. If you're proxying Jira via Apache. Okay, port 800 or 8081. Proxy name. Uh, genericgamecompany.com. Or do I have to do the whole thing? Let's do the whole thing. Okay, proxy port 80, whatever. So now here's the context path. Jira. Doc base. Guess it's this whole thing. So let's just open this, just see if we open with. Okay. I don't know. Start. Stopped. Crap. Well, they had the information down here. Okay, stop. Let me just comment that out, bring this back. Oops. How's this comment? Um, did I do this wrong? Okay, let's try this one. Proxy name, foobar.com. So let's just do genericgamecompany.com. Scheme HTTPS, proxy port 443. Change the value of the path attribute in the context element to reflect the running. If you're proxying traffic, okay. No. Proxy. I don't know what I'm doing. Bow, bow, chicka, down. Damn. So doc base just says dot Jira. Path Jira. Like this has got everything in it. None of these work. What is the context path? I feel like the context, I don't know what that means. Does my original server still work? Or did I break that too? Let's find out. Okay, so that still works. Cool, I guess. So let me stop. Let's see. Does this tell me anywhere where I can... That doesn't tell me anything. There's somewhere where it tells me which... Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So you should be able to add this if you... I know she was... Sorry for being quiet with it. Okay, so... Server... So there's the HTTP 1.1 protocol. Where is that? So here's HTTP. Okay. Let's try it again. Uh-huh. Protocol HTTP. Okay, first let's see if we can find this exact text. Find all. Did it find one? Okay, let's see. 80. Okay, so the error in logs was I changed it to HTTP. Does this really mean anything? Oh, I gotta config again. Hold on. So Jira, bin, config.bat. So Jira home, database. Yeah, advanced, whatever, web server. so that was saved. Let me go back. Server. No. Do I have to comment this one out again? Okay. Let's try that again. Bin cmd config.bat. Okay. Key store path. What's the one that said? 8443. Maybe I don't need this. HTTP only. Maybe that's just for a secure one. Server. Open with Sublime Text. Okay. So we gotta add one of these to this one. Okay. Now HTTP. Proxy name, generic game company, protocol, okay. Maybe I need to use this one. Proxy name, proxy port, blah, blah. Okay. Let's see. Um, so we got the scheme, HTTP, okay. So docbase is saying, I don't know what that is. Path is /Jira. I don't know what that means either. But I think that's right. Start. Stopped. Cool. So .Jira /Jira. Stopped. I don't know what that means. Jira docbase. Okay. So path is that. Doc base. Let's just take that. Does that do anything? Probably not. Oh! It's running. Okay, so that's good. Let's just see. We can have localhost. Okay. Let's give it a second. Let's give it a second before I start crying. If I get this right, I'm making a tutorial about this, just so you know. But I doubt I got it right. Server's running. What's my IP? No, that's not what I want. What do I want? CMD, IP config. And this one. So that's either a good thing or a bad thing that I'm getting an HTTP status error. Generic. I don't know if it just takes a couple minutes to actually start going or if I really mess stuff up. But it seems like I got it right. Or like, the path is /Jira. Maybe it shouldn't be all capital, but I don't know if that matters. Let's just get rid of all this crap. Incognito tab. 192.168.0.122 dash 8081. Does that go anywhere? No. New tab. Generic game company.com/Jira. Oh. Okay. I have internet. Check your proxy settings are kind of. Let's just see. Jira. Yeah. Domain name. Okay. Maybe that's the problem. I need to change the port. Let's do 81. Should stop or restart. This stuff is so complicated. Okay, it's running again. Okay. Still nothing. Okay. I am going to take this, save it as custom server, so we don't lose this information. I don't know what my server is running on. Does this tell me anything? Server configuration manager. Properties. No, let's look at this one. Properties. So 1433. Okay. Okay. I don't give up, but I'm gonna be done for the night. We made some kind of progress. I don't know if any really. So we have the custom server information. Let me just open up original. Let me just see if I can get. Let me just see if I can get the server back to where it was. So let me stop it. Stop being stopped. No. Program files, ASCII Jira. Configuration, server, edit. No, I gotta open it with Sublime. Okay. Start. This should definitely not work. Maybe it's connecting. I hope I didn't just blow this all to crap trying to just change the name. But, you know, knowing me, that's probably what happened. Okay. We got it here. Ugh. such a headache. I don't know what I'm doing. And I don't even know if it's necessary to do all this, but I want to do it. Um, so we'll try again in another video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.